Uh, Me personally, I would go out to breakfast today.
There it is.
That's my feeling about trading today. Just go get a grand slam at Denny's.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, May 7th, 2025. And you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, China confirmed Vice Premier. He Lifeng will hold US-China trade talks in Switzerland and attend economic dialogue in France. The PBOC announced a 50 basis points RRR cut, effective May 15th, releasing 1 trillion Chinese yuan in liquidity. And a 10 basis points policy rate cut effective May 8th, expected to lower the loan prime rate. Markets reacted with mixed European stocks, a stronger USD, and firmer crude prices on trade hopes and China's monetary easing, while traders await key central bank decisions and earnings reports. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you like the show.
Starting with the currency pairs, Aussie US dollar. One thing to note today, it is Fed Day, so I don't expect much of anything other than non-movement until 1 o'clock and then craziness. But I'm still going to try to analyze what's going on here. We are in a downtrend on Aussie US dollar. There was a signal that fired off. What was this? This was last night. Yeah, this was about 11. Anyway, last night. My
Mhm.
brain's not working today. So ever since then, it's been a slow slide down. Major support down here in the 64, 158 area, and some resistance up here at 65, 150. I don't think there's going to be any tradable patterns today because everybody's going to sit on their hands until the Fed does whatever they're going to do. But right now, this is in a downtrend. We have a bearish D plus D minus. ADX is in a strong trend to the downside. The RSI is in poop emoji mode, so we're not even going to pay attention to that. It's pretty much the scoop for Aussie US dollars. So let's move on to Euro pound. Euro pound, we just got a signal there right before the market opened, I think. Yeah. So this fired at quarter of. There is some significant support here at 84, 800. If I was trading this, I would already be done because we were hitting an RSI here we got an RSI indicator, which is usually my exit indicator for a trade. So I would not get into this one at this point in time. I think we're going to have very choppy trading here because of the Fed announcement later this afternoon. Looking at the HUD, last alert was to the downside 5 bars ago. Trend is bearish. ADX is strong. RSI is in poop emoji mode, so we are going to skip that. AI is predicting bearish bars going forward. So take that all for what it's worth. If it does drop, there's some room to make money here if you want to play. It's like from here to this area of support. How much is that? Let me just measure that. That is, there's 17 pips there, so nothing to sneeze at if you want to play with that.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? we invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and become part of the Trade Faction today.
US Canadian dollar, flippy floppy. Looks like here we are right in the middle of major resistance and major support. The last signal was to the upside. That was at 6:30 this morning before the overlap started. We are just chopping away here. Flip-flop back and forth last night between the Sydney overlap and the London overlap. Same thing. Me personally, I would go out to breakfast today.
There it is.
That's my feeling about trading today. Just go get a grand slam at Denny's.
Yeah.
That'll make you happier than trying to eke money out of this before the Fed announcement. Dave, any comments, concerns, questions?
I'm just hoping the Fed gets out of there and gives us a quarter, but I don't think so.
Okay. If they do, it's going to go nuts.
Oh, yeah.
So,
I hope they did. They said they were going to start bringing it down this year.
yeah.
And I hope they just decide, because this is the second meeting they have had and they've kept it the same.
I know. I just want the big, beautiful bill to go through because I will be doing cartwheels if I don't have to pay income tax anymore. We'll see.
Lots of fun stuff. Hopefully that kicks it in, and then we'll go from there.
All right. That's all I got, Chief. Have a good one.